Do you want to know how to use one of the best options on stock video, video templates, music, sound effects, graphics, presentations, photos, fonts, add-ons, and more? Today, you'll have a beginner's guide on Envato Elements. Tap in for elements.envato.com you get in this site. We are at the home page. Up here, you can see a few tabs. The first one, we got stock video and we got stock footage. Clicking on that, we'll see tons and tons of royalty-free high-definition stock footage, having the most variety of videos. Here on the left, you have a couple filters. We can see the stock footage categories like buildings, like business, cartoons, city. We can filter by the resolution, by the frame rate, and by the length. We can sort by popular or new too. And we can click on this trending or popular keywords. Going up here, we have motion graphics too. And at this page, we can see a lot of spectacular motion graphics like some intros for your YouTube channel, like that. We have video templates too that goes through different programs like After Effects, Premiere, Apple Motion, Final Cut Pro, DaVinci Resolve. Let's go at Premiere Pro and see what we got. Here we have a lot of different type of titles, filters, transitions pack, emoticons, art style, glitch logo, and many other stuff. So if you're convinced and want to try, please click on the link to Envato Elements that is on the description of this video. Doing that, you help our channel if we helped you. At the music tab, we have tons and tons of royalty-free audio tracks. We can filter by the mood of the music, like it's a happy music, it's a epic music, etc. We can set the genre too, and the instrument, categories, length, vocals, tempo, etc. Here you can download the music, you can add to your collection, tap in here, and here you can tap to show similar tracks. Here you can play a little preview of the music, and here you can sort by popular or new. At sound effects, we have any kind of royalty-free sound effects like game sounds, transitions, domestic sounds, human, nature sounds, cartoon sounds, sound packs. So let's see if Envato Elements can provide many things, help me to make anything I want to. Let's say I want to make a video about chemistry. I'm going here on the search tab, I'm going to click on it, I'm gonna set stock video and search for chemistry. I like this one, so I'm gonna click on it, and here we're gonna click on subscribe to download, and here it is. The only creative subscription you need is $16.50 for a month, and you can start your subscription clicking here on start now. If you are a student, you have 30% off. If you don't have the money, you can download the preview clicking here. A new tab will be opened and your video will be downloaded. And if the content helped you, please consider leave a like on the video and subscribe to our channel. If you want to make a compliment, a suggestion, or you have a doubt, please comment below. Bye!